In Platteville, I was going through a career fair and met a Martin Automatic. I was doing parts for him at another machine shop and came across him like, hey, recognize your name. I do parts for you. And they're like, oh, cool. Send me your resume. And all history after that, I came down, I was doing assembly, and then after that, I really wanted to do manufacturing because that's what I really like to do. So after that, I worked in the R&D department, and then over here for a summer, I'm working on essentially their brand new VF-5 with their rotary that they got. And then the next summer after that, we received the GM2, and my goal was to figure out how to run it better with the type of parts that we manufacture here. I've been here full-time 3 months now as a manufacturing engineer. I just graduated college in December. I've been an intern here for 4 years now. So overall, the Haas machines are very easy to use. I started out with old Fanuc programming, and the menus were super hard to find what you were looking for. On a Haas control, it's super easy. Everything's well laid out, well labeled. It's very intuitive. The features that I really like about the Haas are the probing, so the tool probe and then the part probe. They're super easy to use. Before, you have to have an edge finder and walk around the part, make sure it kicks right, and then you have to take your tool, zero it on your part, and then raise it up, put your tool in it, and zero it again. It was a lot more work. Here it's just like 4 buttons, and you let it go and it'll probe what you need it to probe, and it'll come out right on every time.
Honestly, modernizing our machine shop, besides just the outright gains in speed of production and precision and the lowered scrap rate, we were having kind of an issue. I wouldn't say an issue with hiring, but we have an aging workforce, and trying to bring new talent on, it's very hard to take somebody who just got out of engineering school or who just got out of a trade school and show them a bunch of 35-year-old Bridgeports and have them go, wow, I want to start a career there. Whereas if you have modern equipment and you're putting the money out there to invest in a manufacturing infrastructure, they know the company's not going anywhere, and it's easy to attract talent.